All right, guys, let's talk ball socket base for spring support on your MIG welding torch. So let's start with the spring support. Basic function of it, it supports the cable at the base of the handle, keeps the cable from bending too sharply. That prevents it from wearing prematurely or also loosening from the base of that handle. When you're welding with a spring support on the handle, there's very little strain decrease. So when you are articulating the torch around, you're always moving a greater percentage of the cable with you using a spring support, and that makes welding a more uncomfortable job to do on a daily basis. So the ball socket base moves independent of the cable for several degrees. This takes strain off the wrist while you're welding. It also allows you, when you're doing a really repetitive kind of welding technique like weaving, not moving as much of the cable weight with you with every handle movement. So that greatly reduces strain and makes the torch easier to handle. Okay, we have two options. Which one's right for you? It's going to depend on your priorities. If you prioritize comfort more, freedom of movement, less strain, then a ball socket base is going to be the way for you to go. If you prioritize more cable life, less strain on the cable, and you can take a little more strain on the wrist, then the spring support is probably going to be the best route for you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out some of our other videos, like this one. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this video in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to be the first to see the latest from Abacore Bidsel.